how to permanently delete books from your Audible library. So you can't do this on the Audible app, you have to do this from the Amazon website. So go to Amazon homepage and then hover over your name to the top right and click on your account. Once that's loaded, scroll down until you find digital content and devices, and you want to click on content and devices. From here, click on audiobooks, and now find the audiobook in which you want to delete. So I want to delete an old title that I have called Phil Gordon's Little Green Book. I don't play poker, don't really have any use for this, so I'm going to click on delete. It will say, are you sure you want to delete it? It will be permanently removed from your account and you will not be able to access them again in your library or any device. Yes, delete permanently. It's now been queued for permanent deletion and it's now gone from my digital content, which means it's also going to be gone from my Audible devices. And that is how you permanently delete a book from Audible and on your Audible devices.